Good morning, class. In today's English class, we will be starting our new chapter, that is the Royal Bengal Tiger. Now, in these pictures, can you identify these animals? What are these? Yes, these are dinosaurs. In this slide, are you able to identify these two animals? Which is this bird? Yes, that is dodo. And which animal is this that is having some stripes like zebra? That is known as quagga. Now, all these animals, quagga, dodo, then these dinosaurs, these are extinct animals. Extinct animals means they are no longer alive. ये अब इस दुनिया में नहीं हैं और हमें देखने को भी नहीं मिलते. So, question that comes in our mind is कि why they are extinct? वो extinct कैसे हो गए, विलुप्त कैसे हो गए? अब हमें दुनिया में ये जानवर क्यों नहीं देखने को मिलते? So these are few points to ponder. So now let's start. Have you heard of dinosaurs? Of course you have heard. Why can't we see them today? Some animals or birds that will soon vanish from the earth. So, can you name some animals or birds that will soon vanish from the earth? जो इस दुनिया से चले जाएंगे. Vanish means will disappear, गायब हो जाएंगे. Yes, there are few birds like sparrows. You hardly see any sparrows nowadays. Why do you think animals and birds vanish? आपने कभी सोचा है कि ये एनिमल्स, ये बर्ड्स जो हमें बहुत रेयर दिखते हैं और हो सकता है आने वाले समय में इन फ्यूचर दे टोटली डिसअपियर, वो पूरी तरह से गायब हो जाएं, हट जाएं दुनिया से. डू यू नो वाई टाइगर इज़ द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया? You all know that tiger is the national animal. But do you know the reason कि इतने सारे animals हैं but still why we only chose tiger as a national animal? हमने tiger को ही national animal क्यों चुना? So read and find out. So in this particular chapter, the Royal Bengal tigers, we will be studying more about the tigers. Are they going to vanish from this earth in next few years? Or our government is doing something to save them? उनको बचाने के लिए हमारी गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है? And the reason why tigers have been the national animal of India. So let's start. Tiger was chosen as the national animal of India due to its grace, strength, quick movement, and enormous power. Grace word means सुंदरता. वो जिस सुंदरता के साथ मूव करता है, that is grace. Strength, ताकत. Quick movement, the speed with which it runs, it moves. And enormous power. Enormous means lot of, बहुत ज़्यादा. Power, you know, ताकत. So all these qualities are there in our national animal. As the tiger is also considered a mighty animal of jungle, it was an obvious choice for the national animal category. Mighty animal. Mighty means very, very powerful. And tiger is one of the most powerful animals of the jungle. So it was an obvious choice. Obvious word means, so ये जाहिर सी बात थी कि एनिमल कैटेगरीज में नेशनल एनिमल को अगर चुनना था तो टाइगर वॉज द राइट चॉइस. Tiger has always been considered as a royal animal. Royal means belonging to some rich family, royal, Raja, Maharaja wali family ka. The tiger as the national animal of India symbolizes, क्या दिखाता है? Symbolize means किस चीज़ को जाहिर करता है? The power, strength, elegance, alertness, intelligence, and tolerance of the nation. सो नेशनल सिंबल है टाइगर. सो वो क्या दर्शाता है? पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, ताकत. एलिगेंस, द ग्रेस विद विच इट मूव्स, अपनी सुंदरता जिसकी जो उसकी चाल है, एलिगेंस. अलर्टनेस, अलर्टनेस मीन्स सजगता, अटेंटिवनेस. इंटेलिजेंस, बुद्धि. And tolerance of the nation. Tolerance means ability to bear pain. That means बर्दाश्त करने की क्षमता. That is tolerance. So ये सारी चीज़ें दर्शाता है कि भारत में बहुत ज़्यादा ताकत है, सजगता है, बुद्धि की कमी नहीं है, बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं, and we have lot of capacity to bear pain. और हमें बर्दाश्त करने की क्षमता भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. That's why these all qualities are there in tiger also. So tiger is our national animal. However, what is alarming is that there has been a steep fall in the population of tigers in the world. Alarming means खतरनाक या खतरे की घंटी. सो व्हाट इज अलार्मिंग? दैट देयर इज स्टीप फॉल. स्टीप मीन्स एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा गिरावट आ गई है. स्टीप, टू मच. स्टीप फॉल इन द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स इन द वर्ल्ड. एकदम से वर्ल्ड में जो टाइगर्स की पॉपुलेशन है, दैट हैज स्टार्टेड डिक्रीजिंग ऑल ऑफ द सडन. And this is the cause of danger. Due to illegal smuggling of tiger skin and other body parts, there are very few tigers left in the world today. There are only 5,000 to 7,000 tigers in the world today. So why there has been the sudden fall in the population of tigers? The reason is illegal smuggling. Illegal means without law. Law के against जाके, rules के against जाना. Smuggling means without permission you are bringing things into the country and you are taking things out of the country. बिना परमिशन के, बिना इजाज़त के चीज़ों को अंदर बाहर लेके जाना कंट्री से. That is smuggling. Of tiger skin and other body parts. Tigers को मार के उनके body parts और skin that has been used by the smugglers for various purpose, and so the number of tigers or the population of tiger is reducing day by day, and currently there are only 5,000 to 7,000 tigers in the world, out of 5,000 to 7,000 इनमें से बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, भूटान, China and Myanmar claims to have a population of 3,000 to 4,500, and India alone claims to have a population of 2,500 to 3,750 tigers. So out of that 7,000 tigers of the world, 3,000 to 4,500 Nepal, Bhutan, China and Bangladesh, these are having, and in India we have these many tigers. In India, out of 8 known types of tigers, the Royal Bengal tiger is found throughout the country except in the northwestern regions. So in India, how many varieties of tigers are found? 8. 8 प्रजातियां हैं टाइगर की, जिसमें से रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर is found throughout the country. So everywhere in the country, wherever you can find tigers, Royal Bengal tiger is a very common type of tiger. But it is not found in northwestern regions. जो इंडिया के northwestern states हैं उनमें ये टाइगर नहीं मिलता है. As there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil, the Indian government launched the Project Tiger in the year 1973. Wiped out. Wiped out is a phrase and it means पूरी तरह से ख़त्म हो जाना, completely destroyed or या completely vanish. So Indian government had a fear. Indian government को ये डर था, fear, डर कि एक समय आएगा जब इंडिया से सारे टाइगर्स वाइप्ड आउट हो जाएंगे. वाइप्ड आउट मीन्स टोटली फिनिश हो जाएंगे. सो दे स्टार्टेड द प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर इन ईयर 1973. सो टाइगर्स को सेव करने के लिए, बचाने के लिए, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट स्टार्टेड अ प्रोजेक्ट नेम्ड एज प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर. Project Tiger focuses on preserving the remaining tiger population in the country as well as increasing the population of tigers. So what is the aim of Project Tiger? Project Tiger किस चीज़ पे काम करता है? The aim is to preserve means बचाना, the remaining tiger population. इंडिया में जितनी भी पॉपुलेशन बची है टाइगर की, उसको बचाना, उसको सेव रखना. That is the focus of Project Tiger. And the second aim is to increase the population of tigers. Somehow they have to increase, tiger के number को बढ़ाना. So there are two main focuses. First one, जितनी population है उतनी population को बचाना. And second, कुछ तरीकों से tiger population को increase करना. These were the two main aims. Under this project, 23 tiger reserves were established throughout the country. So, tigers को बचाने के लिए what Indian government did under this project? Opened 23 tiger reserves. Reserves means these are the areas where the human entry is prohibited. जहाँ पे humans का movement बहुत restricted होता है, जाना बहुत कम होता है. And tigers are saved in this area. So government opened 23 such reserves, providing safe and comfortable shelter to the tigers in the natural environment. By 1993, there was much improvement in the tiger population in the country. And as a result of Project Tiger, in 1993, there was some improvement in the tiger's population. Tiger की population बढ़ी. So means what it showed, that the Project Tiger was quite successful. However, despite the increase in population, the population of tigers in the country is still not satisfactory as compared to the effort and money put in the project. Now, despite the increase means दो, हालांकि population बढ़ी, but if we compare the money that was put in the project, money, effort, जो भी हमने मेहनत करी इस प्रोजेक्ट में, जो भी हमने पैसा लगाया, so if government compares that with the number of population or the number of tigers that increase, then yes, the number was less. Now, why it was less? This is due to the illegal poaching of the tigers. Illegal. Illegal means against law. नियम कानून के against जाना, के खिलाफ जाकर. Poaching word means illegal killing of wildlife या wild animals. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को बिना परमिशन के उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए मारना इज नोन एज पोचिंग। ठीक है। The negligence of the authorities towards the alarming situation of the tiger population in the country. So, this number hasn't increased much. Population tiger की ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ी. The reason was illegal poaching and the negligence of authorities towards the alarming situation. और जो इंडियन अथॉरिटीज़ थे जो इस पे काम कर रहे थे लोग, उन्होंने इस चीज़ पे ध्यान नहीं दिया। Alarming situation means khatra. So they found, they were knowing that things are not going as per they have planned. जो भी उन्होंने सोचा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग चीज़ें नहीं मूव कर रही थी, बट स्टिल they haven't taken any proper action. उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। However, the latest estimate shows that 2,226 tigers roamed through the forest reserves in country in 2014. So, as per the latest data of 2014, India में 2,226 tigers हैं, and roamed word means they are moving in the forest. Roam means इधर उधर घूमना. This shows an increase in the number of the national animal of India. With this, India has around 70% of world's around 3,000 tigers. So, world की जो भी population है, that is 5,000 to 7,000 tigers, उसमें से almost now 3,000 tigers are in India. That is around 70% of world's population of tigers India is having. So, that means Project Tiger is a bit success and the number is increasing. The efforts for the protection of the tigers are slowly showing results. In the coming years, the population of the tigers will hopefully increase due to the efforts of the government and the people of the country. So, hopefully, in coming years, we will have much more population of tigers. We will have lot of tigers with us if government and people are honestly working on this project. So what we learned from the chapter was you have to save the wildlife. We should not kill animals for their body parts. Do not harm nature, because somewhere we are harming nature. We are cutting trees, we are doing deforestation. That's why people are affected, and along with the people, animals are also being affected. They are losing their home, उनका घर छिन रहा है. And so, what is happening? They are not able to live comfortably or properly and they die. So, do not harm nature. And even do not harm animals, और animals को भी नुकसान मत पहुँचाइए. So somewhere you have to save wildlife so that in future they do not get extinct, they do not get vanish, disappear. So our aim should be save tigers. Thank you.